Hello guys and welcome to the video. If this is the first time we meet, my name is Liakoras and in this channel we make vlog type videos here in Cyprus when I'm living. We talk about technology and obviously we're gonna become gamers. So on this video guys, we're gonna unbox the Xbox Series X S controller as you see here, and of course I have here the wireless adapter for Windows because I'm gonna use this controller for the PC. So guys, we can see here on the package on the side the compatibility. This controller can work with, of course, with Xbox Series X and S, with Xbox One, the previous one model, with Windows 10, like I bought it to use it with my computer with Windows 10. It can work with Android and iOS. Amazing. The package will include the wireless controller and two AA batteries. You need to use it with batteries, this controller. So on the back, actually on the box, there is some features. I think this is the feature that are the new one comparing to the previous one. So the first obvious feature is the Hydric D pad. From the previous cross pad, it became this one, which actually seems pretty cool. I'm gonna check it when we're gonna try the controller with games. A good addition was the share button in the middle of the controller. So with that you can share a screenshot, you can capture screenshot and small videos with that very fast. So it's something very useful. I think I'm gonna use definitely. On the top of the controller you can see here on the back there is a Xbox wireless and Bluetooth button, so you can pair very easily with just a click of a button your controller with your device or your laptop and whatever. And the last feature here, as I see here, is a texture grip. It's something that of course gamers who play many hours of game will appreciate. A good grip and the controller is of course much better for the games, especially if you play FPS or other fast games. Alright, so let's open it up guys, let's open it and see what's inside. Whoa, here we are. Here we are, we have... Damn. Alright, let's check if it's working. So guys, this is my unboxing, a little bit messy. First impression guys, it feels very nice on the hand. They have these nice micro dots over here around it, and it feels so steady on your hands. I hope it's gonna be still working because it dropped. So the other thing that comes is the AA batteries, two of them, very nice, very handy. And the other thing that we have on the box here below is just some information, Xbox Game Pass, some warranty guide, and this is like easy like setup, how to put the batteries and set up everything. Very nice. Okay guys, so the controller looks amazing, white, robo white. As I told you, the texture is amazing here with the micro dots. The buttons seems working pretty well. I hope I do not damage it from the fall here. This Xbox is also a button. The logo of the Xbox is also a button. I'm not sure what actually does it doing it because it's the first controller of the Xbox that I'm owning. You can see the wireless connection pair button here on the top. Very good, very good. You have also these micro dots here on these R and L buttons, how we call them. It's actually pretty nice, pretty decent. And I heard that this controller is actually a bit smaller, but I think it's actually fitting. I have also big hands, but it's fitting pretty nice and it feels pretty comfortable actually. Very cool. You can see the clicky buttons. Nice. I'm gonna enjoy this for sure. Very cool. And on the bottom you can see the 3.5mm headphone jack, and here you can put, I think, a small keyboard here so you can write while playing with that. Very handy actually. So this is actually the controller. So now let's see what we have here. We have the wireless adapter guys, which actually I think, because I have a laptop, I could connect it with the Bluetooth. But the thing is, I want to be sure that I have a good range because I'm not gonna be sitting maybe very near to the laptop or something like this. And also with this one you can connect more than one controller. So if you want to play multiplayer on your PC with 2 people, even 3 or more, this will do the work for you. You can connect all of them in one device with this adapter. So that's why I think I'm gonna keep this one, because I was thinking to return it because I'm gonna use my laptop. But I'm gonna check both connection with Bluetooth and with this wireless adapter to see which is better. I hope I will figure out which is better. So let's open it out to see how it is actually. My messy unboxing. Alright, so easy, that's it. So this is it, it's small stick here, very small, very nice actually. It's like a small USB. And this is the adapter. You have also one button here on top. There is a button for it probably to pair with your Xbox. So most probably you're gonna need to click both of these and connect them. I'm not sure actually how it works. So this is the adapter. A USB cable. Yeah, this actually box should include these two. And the rest are the books and the information about the product. So guys, this was the unboxing of the Xbox Series XS controller and the wireless adapter. Okay, so let's go try it out. I'm looking forward to play something with this thing. Let's go. Alright guys, so we came here to the computer. First thing first, we're gonna put the batteries to our Xbox Series X here. Alright, once I found out how to turn on the controller with a big button with a big logo of the Xbox in the middle of the controller, I connected my Xbox Series with my laptop with Bluetooth, and after we checked also the wireless adapter. Both methods guys work perfectly with my games on Steam and Epic Games, and I must say that the Bluetooth setup was the whole setup was much faster, because I encountered a very small issue actually with updating the drivers when I was trying to connect with the wireless adapter, but nothing serious and everything was solved. So let me show you the both methods guys here in detail. With the Bluetooth method, first of all you need to make sure that your PC, your laptop, your motherboard support Bluetooth, right? So you need to go to the Microsoft.com to the Xbox accessories, click get, and it will take you to the Microsoft Store. And there you will click install and it will start the downloading. Once it is ready, click launch and connect your controller with your PC by using USB-C cable to set up the device and install the updates. When everything is done, take off the cable and open the Bluetooth settings. Open your Bluetooth and click the wireless Bluetooth button on the top of your controller and it will pair with each other. Click connect and it's ready to go. Every game I opened from Steam or Epic Games was immediately optimized and ready to play with the controller. I also tested the range in my apartment about 6-7 meters far away from my laptop, and everything worked perfect with the Bluetooth setup and the Bluetooth connection. Oh, we can do that? Oh, I did that! Amazing! Did you see that? Did you see that what I did? Look at this, how easy! I would never manage to pass this with the keyboard. Never, like never. Oh Now we will turn off the Bluetooth and I will check the controller with the wireless adapter. When you put the wireless adapter, a small message pop-ups for setting up the device. When it disappears, I try to open the controller and connect it, but nothing seems to work. After a short research, I understand that we need to update the drivers. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that because it doesn't say anything in the manual. First, we need to go to the device manager and click on the other devices on the Xbox ACC and update the drivers. You can search automatically for drivers, but it cannot find anything, so I need to click search for updates on Windows Update. You can open the Windows Update here. And here you need to click view optional up, because if you do it automatically you will not find anything. So you click on drivers and updates, and here you can see that you have the last one, it's Xbox Net. So let's click download and install, and hopefully this is gonna fix it. Let's see. After updating, it will start setting up the USB device. And when it's done, just click the wireless button on your controller and you will be connected with your PC through the wireless adapter. I tried playing the same games and also tested the range again, and everything worked perfect. I can't say that I saw any difference as both ways working without any issue. The only reason I think somebody should get the wireless adapter is first, you don't have Bluetooth on your PC, or second, you want to connect more controllers. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing and small review video of the Xbox Series XS controller. Thanks for watching. Make sure to find me on Facebook and Twitch for gaming lives with this device. I'm gonna try it out there. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.